Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Authentication app to reset your Gmail account. At first, to use Google Authentication app, you first need to install Google Authentication app from Play Store on your phone. After installation, you can link your Gmail account to your Google Authentication app. To find more information on how you can install Google Authentication app on your phone, click on the top link to learn more on how you can install Google Authentication app on your phone. So to start, install, click on any browser of your choice, then in the address bar, enter Gmail account to log in with your Gmail accounts. Log in. When you are trying to log in, under it you will find forget password. If you are forgetting your password, click on forget password, then choose get verification code from the Google Authenticator, and it will prompt you to enter the verification code. So on your phone, click on Google Authentication app install on your phone that you have linked your accounts to it. This is my Google Authenticator. So I'll enter the verification code as 729690. That I click next. This will enable me to reset my password if I want to reset the password. After resetting the password, you can log into your Google Mail. You are able to log in by resetting your password. Click on Gmail. This will enable you to have access to your Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. And for more information, under the description, click on link to the post to click on the link to find more information on how you can use Google Authenticator to reset your Google app or Google Gmail accounts. Thank you.